Hi, I'm Ray, and this is my vegetable garden, and this channel is all about growing your own fruit and veg with some flowers and some DIY projects. So why not subscribe? That'd be great. So today I'm going to show you what we can sow in September. I just spotted a robin in my polytunnel. So it's a bit wet outside today, so we're in the polytunnel sheltering from the showers. But anyway, still sow seeds to sow. Although September is known as a tidying up season, with August being harvesting, now September is a good time to start clearing all the beds. So September, the nights are drawing in fast and the early mornings are not so early now. So it's time to get jobs done, clearing those plots and filling the compost in. So let's have a look at what we can sow in September. So we can do Chinese kale. This can be sown from April right through to September. And these are fast growing, matures in 60 days from transplanting. We can use the flower stems in buds and salads or stir fries. Also, spinach. Spinach is far less likely to bolt during September, so get some late crops of spinach in. So we've got stir fry mix. We've got some rocket and salad leaves and lettuce all year round. This can still be done in September. And also Mizuna, stir fries or mixed salads. Dark green pepperly flavoured leaves can be picked over a long period. You can do some radish, and radish does prefer the late summer. With the longer days and the warmer temperatures, it's likely to flower up and bulb up faster. So still to get some radish in. The wind's getting up again. We can do cauliflower. This is a gardener's favourite, reliable, producing white curds early summer to autumn from successional sowings. So all the year round cauliflower. So today we're going to sow the cauliflower all year round. So we've got two narrow beds, just making a small drill along the middle. We're taking our seeds and we're just sowing a few in the row. Not many, just a handful. And we're just going to cover them up. This is just multi-purpose compost. And that's it. Job done. We can do mustards. This is an all year round. And this is great for salads and sandwiches. Takes up little space and a small amount of your time. So that's good. And also onions. We can start sowing seeds for onions in September. And this one is Keeper F1 hybrid. And it's the best variety for autumn sowing and to overwinter. Exhibition quality and a sure winner under the 4-ounce glass. So there we go. Quality globe-shaped bulbs with golden skins. And also we can do some spring onions. These are white Lisbon. These are mild, very quick growing salad onion, good for successional sowings and very hardy. So this one is the F1 hay keeper, and we're doing this one in the soil tray. And we've got some sand, some sharp sand. We're just going to add this to our compost just to give a bit more drainage. And then we take our tray and we fill our tray with the sandy compost. We've got our seeds. That's the seeds. And then we're just going to scatter them around the tray. And then just firmly cover with compost. This is quite damp. They're going to sit in the polytunnel to germinate. So September is the month for planting out your sets of overwintering autumn onions, like the Japanese varieties, of which seeds can be sown in August and September, and they'll stay in the ground all winter, grow in the spring, ready for lifting in June. Check all your bulbs, see if there's any rotten or any that are no good. Don't be fooled that the bigger bulbs will do better, as the medium size or the smaller ones are a lot less likely to bolt. So worth checking them all out. This one's soft, no good. So give it a good squeeze and make sure they're all good. This isn't bad at all. So first, prepare the ground, making sure it's weed free and soft for the bulbs can go in. And we take our sets and we look at the bottom. See, the bottom's got the roots and the top is the top. And then we insert the bulb just so the top's pointing out. And then we plant every 6 inches, 5 to 6 inches, checking the bulb. And we continue to do this all the way along. Making sure they're firm. Alternative way to do your onions is to use this module tray, and this is compost, and we take our bulb, we look for the rooty end and we stick it into the cell tray, 1 per module, making sure the tips stick out. This will ensure the birds don't pull them out if they're in the ground. There we go, a tray full of onions ready for next spring. So a good job done. So thank you very much for watching. And if you're new to my channel, then please subscribe, ring that bell, get notifications when I post some more. So thank you very much, What are you sowing in September? Leave me a comment. Cheers!